Hello, everyone. I'll introduce this part system for the first is description of satellite and the purpose of SPOT satellite system. Satellite is French, or SPOT is French, means satellite pour observation de la Terre in English, which means satellite for observation of Earth. The system is a commercial high resolution optical Earth imaging satellite system. SPOT was designed to tasks of exploring Earth's resources, detecting and forecasting phenomenon of climatology and oceanography, and monitoring human activities and nature phenomena. How about the history of SPOT? CNES, the French Space Agency, initiated SPOT system, and Belgian Scientific, Technical and Cultural Services, and the Swedish National Space Board involved to develop the system. Earlier satellites were launched using the European Space Agency's Ariane 2, 3, and 4 rocks. While SPOT 6 and SPOT 7 were launched by the Indian Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Is it a one of a kind of sensor, or is part of an Earth observing constellation of satellites? The SPOT system includes a series of satellites and ground control resources for satellite control and programming, image production, and distribution. The sensors includes an HRV and HRVIR and vegetation, also NOMI, NAOM sensor. How about a coverage of SPOT? The SPOT orbit is polar, circular, sun-synchronous, and fixed. The inclination of the orbital plane combined with the rotation of the Earth around the polar axis allows the satellite to fly over any point on Earth within 26 days. The orbit has an altitude of 832 kilometers. And also a centrally mounted optical instrument, a 3-axis star tracker, and a fiber optical gyro, and four control moment gyros. How about the resolution for the SPOT? From this table followed, we can see it is different about the resolution between the SPOT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also, the highest resolution is in SPOT 6, and SPOT 7 is about 1.5 meters. A question: where and how to purchase imagery from SPOT? We can buy the imageries from spots online. There is a website. It's called nanoinfo.com/spot satellite imagery website. We can buy the imagery of spot. And the average scene size and cost of a spot. The full size is about 60 kilometers, multiple 60 kilometers. It's about 3,600 square kilometers. The minimal size is 1 of Earth's sun. It is about 20 multiple 20 kilometers. And also, depending on the different size and the cost are different. The most expensive cost is about $10,125 for full scene imagery. The lowest cost is about $1,200. Also, there are some spot notes for synthesis and costs. Programming fees are extra, and the fourth color products are 3-bond products and are only available as full scene products. Are there any known issues with the system? Of course, the space satellite system will also face some challenges. Firstly, there is a cost issue as you launch. Transportation and data processing of satellites require significant investments, which could be a problem. Therefore, how to reduce the cost of satellite operation and improve the efficiency of satellite application is an important issue. Secondly, there are privacy and security issues. For example, we can use this sparse satellite systems produced imagery to resolve some challenge. For example, Tochiti is a key agricultural region in Peru, with smallholders growing most of the oil palm and the cocoa found here, and about 1,200 oil palm farmers and 25,000 cocoa farmers dot the region, which lost about 20,000 hectares of tree cover between 2001 and 2018, according to the Global Forest Watch. There is a solution for this challenge. With our support, NISO approached the supplier Group Palm with regard to plant oil palm on about 23,000 hectares of primary forest in the Peruvian Amazon. So in Tachiti, we piloted an inductive HCS approach study at the landscape level, which was one of the first times this approach was used across the small holder dominated landscape. There's some references for any and all information. The first one is the website named earth.eac.int. Another is en.wikipedia.org website. Thanks. That's all.